Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the BTCS indicator for MT4. This is a currency strength style indicator that helps you see which currencies are relatively strong or weak, so you can focus on the most active pairs instead of guessing. I'll walk you through how it looks on the chart, what its readings imply, and how it can fit into your analysis flow. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. As you can see on MT4, the BTCS indicator appears in a separate sub-window, typically as lines, bars, or a simple table, as you can see here, that represents the relative strength of individual currencies or pairs over a chosen look-back period. Each currency or pair is assigned a numeric value or plotted line, where higher readings indicate stronger performance and lower readings indicate weakness, allowing you to quickly identify strong versus weak combinations for potential trading opportunities. You usually see multiple currencies displayed together, so you can visually compare which ones are gaining or losing momentum across the market in real time. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Key inputs include the strength value, the correlation value, and then we can choose the pairs to scan as well. You can also choose your preferred colors and trade your preferred time frames as well. Now, who is this indicator for and what are its limitations? The BTCS indicator is for traders who monitor multiple pairs and want a quick visual read on which currencies are strong or weak before drilling down into individual charts. It is a visual analysis tool only, does not execute trades, and its readings should always be combined with chart structure, price action, and your own risk management rather than used as a standalone entry or exit signal. You can download the BTCS indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It gives you a compact currency strength style view so you can focus on strong versus weak combinations instead of randomly picking pairs. If you found this overview helpful, remember to subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications so you don't miss future indicator tutorials. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.